it's Eran here. I'm doing a tutorial on exactly how to set up branding on your website. And what I mean by branding, I mean like setting up the color scheme, the font, so it's got consistency. So you won't be able to see this, but on Slack, I just had a bunch of information saved in regards to what the branding is, the colors and all that stuff. So I'm just going to copy and paste it to the actual web page here. It's not going to stay there, but just to show you what it is. So I'm just adding a block. I'm going to make it an empty block. I'm going to add a text. So where is the text? You go right here. I drag it and put it here. So you see, this is the colors and everything, right? So this is what I'm going to be copy and pasting into the global styling, okay? And what you do is you just click that. You go to add fonts. Now I've already added the font, right? But let me just show you how to add fonts just in case you want to add your own fonts. So you click on add font and you can go here. You've got like 900 different fonts you can choose from. So this is the most popular and this is alphabetical. Okay, in my case, the font was chosen was Sen, S-E-N, and I just scrolled down and actually found it, okay? Basically, so if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you'll see it right here. Okay, so here it is. Yeah, sorry, it's going up and down. Yeah, there you go. So it's Sen. I just clicked it, and once I clicked it, it gave me the three options, regular, and I just chose all of them basically. So that's all it is. It's pretty straightforward. You could choose whatever you want. Okay, there's a lot of options. Okay, I actually got this chosen by a graphic designer, professional graphic designer. So that's how I did mine. Okay, so I'm gonna go to global styling again. Now the color palette. So use as a main theme color. Now the main theme color is gonna be headline, so purple, right? So it's gonna be this. So paste it in. That's the main theme color. Secondary colors. So this one. Next color. It's going to be this one. And then buttons will be this one. And go well. There you go. Okay, good. So I've got those options. I'm gonna change this one. A little bit. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'll make this black, like dark black in case I want to have it. And that's pretty much it. Background color will be white. Main text color as well. I'll make it, I think it's going to be this purple. That's what it's going to be, with this purple. And that's pretty much it. Now when I've done that, I click on confirm. Okay. And then you'll see here, let's say I want to add a heading and so on. It's going to be Sen. This will be the color as well. Okay, let me just highlight that. Okay, so this will be the color. Okay, so what I'm going to do is color. Yep, that's fine. Okay, so now text styling. So this is where you go here. So it's going to be the text, main text color. So paragraph, whatever that's going to be. So we're going to make it this, and then Sen, and this. Now the heading, I'll make it, yeah, it'll be Sen. That's fine. Heading, this color, this color, this color, and change it to Sen. Next one. Next one. I just change everything to this color, just because it kind of makes my life easier, to be honest. Um, I make it all the same, and then if I get to the stage where I want to make it a bit different, I will just change it around at that time. But that way it just gives me consistency. Text links. So yes, I want it underlined on the mouse hover, and the color will be this one. So when it hovers it will make it a little bit different, basically. Okay, confirm. Always make sure you confirm. See, the colors are automatically changed, basically. Now, on the text styling, you want to do exactly the same thing on the mobile. Okay, so we're just going to save. Global styling. Text styling. Mobile. And again, you want to change it here as well. Like that. Same. Same. It's a bit tedious, obviously, but it will make the entire website consistent, which is what you want. By the way, the only reason you're adding the mobile is it will automatically do the mobile anyway, but if you're doing mobile editing, it will go by this color. So it is important to do, basically. I've got different tutorials on the mobile editing and how to do it. Yep, quote, send. Okay, good. We're done. Let me move back. So you see the colors are all consistent now, okay? So it doesn't matter what I add, basically, like whatever it's gonna be, whether it's gonna be like a different color, so the text, it will always be this text, okay? So that's pretty much it. So this will be the Buy More Hours website, okay? And out of interest, I will show you quickly what the website is meant to look like, just so you can kind of see, so you can get the idea. So I'm gonna add a photo right here. Image. Now here I'm going to type logo, submit, upload the file. I just downloaded it. It's a WhatsApp message. Click here. Click it, and here it is. So this is basically what it's meant to be. I'm going to delete this widget, drag it here. And this is what it's meant to be, basically. So there you go. That's what this business is about. And in these colors are basically what I just showed you in terms of the colors here. The color palette, these are the colors, basically. So there you go. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks a lot. Bye.